Hey everybody, Rylis Productions here. This is what you get when you order one of our Made in USA flywheels. This is how the box comes. You see it's brand new, unopened. This is how the box comes from FedEx, and we're gonna show you what's inside. As a side note, for all our packages now that we sell to our customers, either we can ship it to your door, or we can have it fully insured, or have it held at the either FedEx office, UPS location, or USPS post office, just to make it more secure for our customers, because sometimes missed deliveries happen or packages get stolen from front porches. We just want to make sure our customers get them their packages securely, and we just want to have that as an option for our customers. So in any case, we're going to open it up and show you what's inside. So let's cut it open real quick. And here, alright, so there's a box within a box. We ordered this flywheel for the Gen 3 Hemi that we're going to be working on. So just wanted to show you guys. There it is. What this is an aluminum flywheel for Gen 3 Hemis. As you can see, there's 8 bolts, and there's the flywheel itself. Beautiful piece, very lightweight. When we picked this up from FedEx, I think the box stated 14 and a half pounds, the whole package. Let's say the box weighs, I don't know, a pound. So roughly around 13 and a half pounds. Very lightweight, much lighter than our billet steel versions. These are made of 6061 T6 aluminum plate, which is all domestically sourced. The ring gear is from 1045 hardened steel, and there's a friction plate on the back. So also for this specific flywheel, the ring gear, let me see if I see this correctly. So the ring gear is closer to the transmission when it's all bolted up inside. The bolts will go thread first into these holes, so it's oriented like in this manner. So this flywheel is designed for a Gen 3 Hemi with a bell housing that has a driver's side starter, and the reason for that is, that's why the reason for the ring gear is towards the transmission side. Now on a Gen 3 Hemi with a passenger side starter, the orientation will be like this, where the ring gear will be closer to the engine side. But for a Gen 3 Hemi with a driver side starter, the ring gear will be towards the transmission. The register is machined that way, and I don't know if you guys can see a close-up of it. As you see, there's a little step there where the ring gear is affixed to. But in any case, yeah, this is for I'm not sure yet if we're gonna attach this to the 73 Challenger builds 426 Hemi, because to be honest with you, I'm kind of digging this flywheel, and I might throw it onto the CUDA, and we'll just figure out the Challenger's flywheel from there. But yeah, this is a nice piece. It'll make the engine rev up a little quicker coming out of the turns, and that's one of the criticisms I felt with the standard weight billet steel flywheels. It's the engine RPM is, it's not slow, but the lack of response isn't there. Isn't as quick as I would subjectively say it should be. But with the aluminum flywheel, the revs will go, or their engine response will be much more instantaneous. And then, as you can see, for the friction plate, it's mounted by rivets. So although this friction plate is serviceable and you can replace it, you're gonna have to send it back to us so we can have it serviced for you guys if you have to do that option. But that's the nice thing about an aluminum flywheel. You buy it once, as long as the bolt holes are still round and not rounded out and, you know, oblonged, which shouldn't happen. You can always pop off the service or the friction plate and have it serviced. So there you go, guys. Little quick video on our aluminum flywheels. These are priced at $365 currently, with a fluctuation of metal prices in the United States. We try to keep our flywheels as low as possible and, you know, make it a good value for our customers. But if you guys need to order one, check out our website, Rylis Productions, rylispro.com. See you guys later. Bye.